Hello, Dream Team. Dream Team. Whoa, Chef Alibis. Whoa, Chef.
Something, Kino, boy.
Whoa, Chef. Hold on, Chef. Hold on, Alibis. Oh, Chef, look. Whoa.
Twice, New York. They don't have no curry chicken back there with white rice, so we'll have to eat you back, alright?
Oh, that's a fireplace.
Yeah.
Dream Team and cream, you know, it's on the routine. So it's nothing but love to all the donors then, you know, and Alva is not feeling too well, you know, but hopefully he'll be alright, you know. Him come out, start walking, you know, catch some fresh air and keep the body moving, so prayers out, you know. Hopefully everything will be alright, well later on he can come out and have a little celebration, because you know, when birthday coming up, you know, today, Ken says birthday. So, you know, we're going to celebrate it with him, but hopefully everything will be alright. So
me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Good morning.
Morning,
Dream Team, one team.
One team, dream team, outside. Man, early, you know.
How was day one?
Day one was good enough.
Yeah, live box.
Yeah, man. If I were outside,
yeah.
I eat, man.
I'm pretty flexible. It's an uprising, man.
Yeah.
So we're on the Day2.
Breeze blowing good.
Yeah.
Yes. And we're going around.
Oh.
Well, yes, man.
Day2 breakfast radio.
Yeah, you know. And look at this and look at that. Yeah.
You see, you're energized about the body, you know?
Yeah.
Today too. See them. Proof that is ready.
People coming slow. Looking at that plate, yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, we just
Almost finished.
I'm not playing. You see what?
Yeah.
That's all I can have here with now. You see what Oliver go. Oh, Oliver not playing.
No, I'm almost done right now.
Oliver the first to get up this morning, so I guess him are the first to finish.
Thank you very much.
Oliver run from the beach side, eh? Looking fit. How was it?
It was pretty good, man. Feeling good right now.
It's a prefix. If you like trying to get up in the morning and run from the beach. Life park, so you play some ball. People, what is it?
Anything, man.
Carla and just touchdown.
Carla, you look like you're hungry this morning.
You know, it's hard to not see fried dumpling and callaloo, and you know, it's like you just like, oh, I want them, but I don't want
everyone has callaloo. Oh, you know, callaloo.
Thank you.
Callaloo, callaloo, callaloo. Yes, we're here again. We're here on the road in Montego Bay. It's Sir Oliver again.
Yes, man. Always on the road.
So, as usual, giving them a tour of Montego Bay. Whenever I come to Jamaica, this is Oliver.
Yes, sir.
He drives around for the scenery for himself. So now I'm sharing Oliver's scenery. This is what Oliver normally do. Jump in the vehicle and just drive, right?
Yes, sir. Go into the city, buy some fruits, look at the scenery, check out the local shops, local cuisine, you know.
Yeah.
Just live it up.
That's good sometimes when you're at the resort, you know, you kind of...
Yeah, you gotta change it up, you know what I mean? You can't only eat so much and drink so much and swim so much. Sometimes you just need to go outside and break up the norm, you know what I mean?
Yeah. True.
Especially with me and Carla, we used to do it quite a bit, so it gets boring real fast. So you know, when you switch it up, you know, you go back and enjoy yourself again. So that's what this is about for us, you know, just getting out there doing a little change of scenery.
Yeah, and it's nice. And then again, now we're on the same journey again with you, like giving someone a life change experience, life parks and prefect, you know.
Yeah, they're having a good time.
Well, viewers and donors, they left at the pool. I know them left, so they want to go and run about. Oliver go and drive about because. So it's another blessing for them, Oliver.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's well earned. You know, I mean, Light Parks work really hard to help people be in a better position. In fact, he worked so hard that he got the name Premix.
Yeah.
You know, so if you sit down and think about all the cement that young man makes from his Donna and different people so that they can have a home. Yeah, this is the least someone can do for him, you know?
Yeah.
This is a way to say thank you for what you're doing it, you don't have a paycheck, you don't have a set pay scale. Some weeks you're out there mixing cement and putting up blocks and you know, you don't really make much. You know, you're dependent on the generosity of the donors. And this is just a way of saying, you know, you're appreciated for what you're doing. You and Prefect.
And I really appreciate it, you know?
Yeah, man.
I really appreciate what you've done already so far until now. Because to share the blessings, well, not only for me and Badger experience, but others can experience what we can experience, you know, because that's life experience. For Natisha, for example,
Right.
You know, that was one of your main things, to like put that smile on her face.
Yeah, restore her back to something.
And from you done that, it never changed, you know.
You know,
The roof was one thing when she get the house, the roof was one thing, but this was another. You know, this was the life experience we should have won. Because having the roof is one.
Right.
You know, that was our main thing, to get
But to restore the spirit is another thing.
It's another thing.
You know, there's a part of this for me is also hoping I can show some love, because quite honestly, as a black man, I have experienced and I've seen where we don't really show each other too much love. You know, we're quick to show each other violence or some kind of
like they want to prove something to
negative,
you
know what I mean? But it's like a taboo to say, hey, you know, I respect you, I care about you, I'm going to try to help you. We don't do that enough. So hopefully I can do this for these people, and other people can say, you know, I like that idea, I'm going to do that, and it get more contagious and spread, you know? So that's one of the main things for me too, you know, just to show some love. Well, and hopefully that can spread. You know, I've said this before, I grew up pretty poor, no different from the people in Trenchtown. And, you know, you have to understand that not because you didn't have stuff and not because people didn't give you things.
Yeah.
You have to be the bigger person sometimes to break the cycle.
Yeah.
You know, if your parents used to beat you unreasonably when you were young, and you have children, you have to make the decision to not do the same thing to your children. So even though I wasn't showing the same kind of love that I'm given, I feel like it's my responsibility to break the cycle and show a brother and some sister some love. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Show them some kindness, because I'm a part of the community. I'm a part of the village that raised the child.
Yeah.
And I have to show them what I would like for them to show people when they get older. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Every culture I've come across. If you look at the Jewish, the Chinese, Indians, and different people, they seem to come together a little bit better and a little bit faster than we're doing.
Yeah.
It's no shame to learn from them and say, you know, let's teach ourselves how to take care of each other a little bit better.
Yeah, instead of going against each other.
Instead of, you know, going against the grain. Just work together. You know, somebody may get ahead of you and do much better than you, but eventually you get your shot, you know what I mean?
Like what you said, a lot of them, like, them grow up as the experience with them could have learned, like, if we can try. That's like where JJ is doing, trying to grab them when they're young.
Yeah, man, I'm so impressed with him. It's beyond words, you know? Because sometimes people talk a good game and they come up short in the execution, but his execution outweighs his game, you know? He talks about it, but he does more than he says.
Yeah.
You know, and like I said before, you know, when the time is right, I'm going to reach out to him and see if I can contribute to what he's doing, you know. I'm very impressed with the schooling system that he has going on.
Yeah.
Hopefully the kids can bring their homework there and get that done, and work on their times table and some sports, and, you know, show them some good morals, some good character that they can carry on in the future for that community.
True. It's a future development what's going on, and it's making way in a positive way, because the cycle needs to change.
Yeah, and that's why I took the initiative to be a part of it, you know.
I will give thanks and really appreciate you and Carla. You know, it's always Oliver and Carla. Right, Carla?
She's back, so
she's
nobody's
back.
questioning her.
So Carla up here, she's back. She's at the back seat. That's Oliver, where we're heading towards now.
Well, we're going into a shopping center. It's a relatively new shopping center that's been built in the last couple of years in Montego Bay, so I'm going to go check it out. I've been around in the neighborhood before, but never really get a chance to stop because it was just too busy.
Alright, so we're going to show them what we're talking about.
So, you know, it's a development that Montego Bay is very proud of, and they're trying to bring in a lot of traffic and a lot of new products and services, nice restaurants, electronic stores, supermarket, movie theaters, all different kind of services, you know. So I'm just gonna go over there and take a look, see what's going on.
Alright then, so viewers, stay tuned. We're gonna give you that view.
See the airport come all the way over here?
Yeah.
Look at my papers.
So we're on the hip strip. Why them call it hip strip?
I guess it's hip, you know, with the tourists and the trendsetters, you know.
Okay.
The nightlife, you know, the hipsters, you know, people on the cutting edge.
Yeah. So this guy, the street never sleeps.
Pretty much not, you know. You get a little thing here, so you got your Kentucky for the American taste and stuff. Down to your right is where the help me, Margaritaville.
Okay, yes, easier with it passing actually. This was the spot last night.
So you see the go there and play around in the
was the spot.
ocean over there.
Yeah. That nice one at the ocean over there. It was the spot last night.
So look out for the jerk pit or the jerk. You see it says jerk zone?
Jerk zone. Oh yeah, jerk zone.
We'll go to one of this all this up on there.
So yeah, jerk zone. Jerk pit.
They cook it on the cement wood.
Oh, so we got a jerk spot right now. Whoa. Well, prepare so this is
the fire underneath the bottom one there.
See it? So this is what the jerk pork.
Yeah,
Sausage. Nobody has a jerk chicken.
Alright, we're going into town and we'll come back and get some chicken.
Look on the jerk chicken side.
chicken.
Yeah.
So this is a jerk chicken. Yeah.
Biggest cotton tree in Jamaica.
The biggest. Oh, wow. A cotton trees? Oh my God. Silk cotton. Yeah, silk cotton. This is big. Look, you for the size of this?
Give the year? Is it tell you the year?
Look.
Turn around and hug it.
Look at that.
Show the
Go move. Look at that, people. Look at this tree. Look how big this tree is.
Yeah, huge.
Huge.
Alright, Carly, you hold one side and I hold one.
Yeah.
Can we hold it around the
Try hug it. Still. That tree is big. How many years old is this? What's this from? Slavery years. Well old.
When you come back, Kino, I'll sell you something here.
You want something when I come back?
Yeah,
alright then.
souvenir, a necklace or something.
Alright, when I come back then, right?
Alright, if you come back.
Alright then.
Put them lighting on it and light it.
So this is a new place that they just built up
In Montego Bay.
in Montego Bay.
Carla, what's this place called? Village Rock? And then they have a supermarket down the side to the left.
So this is the new shopping center. There is kind of like a shopping square. But there's always a few different shopping centers. I like vending and everything. Vending, coming around. Big sale.
You were getting Lloyd?
You got Fontana as well here. Fontana pharmacy here as well. Saggy Pro time.
That's the one that
Yeah. Slow. A lot. The flow company. I don't care about everything. That's the internet I'm using at home on the field.
This is like Kingston. Am I going around there?
No, you're going the right way.
Or arrow point?
Radio Shack.
I'm gonna go up and see if there's a place here. This is as far as I came.
You got an NCD on your bank. And you go up We're back again. So you open now?
Yeah, man, yeah, on that side.
Yeah, hard over that side. Oh, so you're hard over there. So I'm back again.
Yeah. You see.
Hello, Dream Team. Dream Team. Oliver. Oh, you want to speak to Oliver? Oh, whoa, Chef Alvarez, whoa,
I'll tell you
Chef.
something, Kino, boy.
Whoa, Chef. Hold on, Chef. Hold on, Alvarez. Oh, Chef, look.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Twice! New York!
Twice, not once.
All right.
Yeah, so tell him back.
They don't have no curry chicken back here with white rice, so we'll have to eat you back, all right?
Let me talk to you. Whoa, Chef. Yeah, man, I have to call you back when I get the chicken back, yeah? Yeah. Let me call you back, right? Where me? We have your thing down here, where me? At the jerk chicken, I don't know how I'm going. Me, I call you back, right? Yeah, where me? At the same thing, where me? I eat on the jerk, right? Alright, then. You soon call you. Whoa, Chef. May I check out the chicken back? Them not the back, them have the chicken, but the back. Alright, bless.
Oh, that's a fireplace.
Yeah.
Well, juicy.
Yeah. It's a piece of stick. When you jerk the chicken, then you not stick it.
Sticky.
Yeah, like you keep it the fork. You keep it the fork.
No, sir.
See?
Why
That's
not?
right.
When you cover it with the zinc, man, it's steam. Keep it right, and, you know?
Thank you.
Right.
That's right.
Hot sauce or what? The green
Hot
one?
sauce, the yellow one, man.
Yellow. Ali, which one you gonna get?
Hot sauce is the yellow one?
Yellow, yeah. Red ketchup.
Green is what?
Mild.
Mild, okay. Never mind.
Green is organic.
This is mine. Okay.
So this is what it look like at the jerk pit. The pepper shrimp and the jerk chicken. This is it.
What is it called, like, right? And like, look at the jerk, I'm gonna eat chicken. And like this taste of the pepper shrimp. It's really nice. Oh, that's a fireplace.
Yeah.
Well, so we are back.
Yes, sir.
We are back, Sir Oliver. We are back. From the Montego Bay tour. So now we are the resort tour again.
That's how we do it.
Yeah. Stretch your leg and come back. Perfect. Come on, we say ready for the pool now?
Yes, man. Ready.
Ready for the pool now? You lazy boy there. We have to call you lazy boy. Ready or now? Pray for them never catch you down the slide yesterday. They never catch you going down the slide yesterday.
I'm gonna make them tell you.
Yeah, like that Joe. Pray for come through. say? You ready?
Lead out to the front.
Alright, we up. We reached the top. Prefect.
Yeah.
Nice box.
I'll go first.
Who will go first?
Nice. You're so nice. Nah, of course. I saw it set, man. Sweet. Carla, Oliver. Sweet. Well, nah, stop. Cool. Sweet. Food. Sweet. The vibe. Sweet. Everything nice.
Alright, so light box, reach back.
Yeah, man.
Light box survive. So it's prefect now. Prefect, don't be too scared. Viewers is very scared at the minute. Look on prefect. Yeah. Hold on, prefect. Hold on. Don't move yet. Hold on, prefect. Not to make you scared. So you are drive. Here is the steering. What do you mean?
Yeah, so all it's
Yeah, but it can turn it round there. Let's see. Don't worry, you're not crash. Get nowhere to be a crash. Slide the camera, look.
Yes.
all is well, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, I don't really know what happened with prefect, you know. But I'll watch it on the replay. Light box, come on. Bossy. The light box, bossy.
Nice, I know.
Up there again. Where you get the experience now, prefect? The fear gone, right?
Definitely. Yes.
Hey, you want the prefect face? You want the prefect? Like,
No, I know that. May I try hold the anger.
yeah.
And the thing. So when I come down it, so now I turn it like, I drop the camera, I drop out. So you have to flick and catch the camera and turn it out.
Alright, we're going up again. We're going up again. We're gonna see what happens next. Yes, prefect.
Shoot like a airplane.
Oh. Yes, light box.
This is what my add to it now. Add this one now. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Morning.
Prefect is over there. Prefect is over there. Blessed man, light box and roaming.
Life Park's gonna run in, so hopefully we'll see Life Park soon. We're gonna beach. Yeah, Life Park, say bro, you know. So now I'm prefect there. I'm prefect there. I go on with a man vibe, you know. Oliver is not downstairs as yet. And Carla. Oliver not feeling so well at the minute. So you know, let's keep fires out saying, you know, Oliver is not feeling so well. He's just resting up in his room. And his wife Carla is there accompanying him. So fires to the general. That's what love. So they are going to really talk same. Right, Prefect?
Definitely. People them, you know. Rest upon yourself.
Yeah, man, talk to
Zine people, donuts, enough respect. From the four corner, big up on yourself. Bless them. Yeah. There as you can see. One of our local, you know, morning segment.
people. Not the four of them are my one. I know a prefect showing up 4 plates. But all the response to 2. Yeah, I'm bad but not so bad. So yeah man, it's a blessed morning to all we here having the breakfast morning. So team one team, you know, Alabama General go and rest. But there I don't think they're going to wait for their cup. You know, keep strong. Carla, blessed love. No, none of that. Prefect.
Yes.
So fruit punch in the cup.
Yeah.
You got a little bit of rum with the porridge.
Prefect. Is a prefect, you're not taking that stairs. I don't blame you. Prefect now take no check. Take the steps. Take the steps. Oh. Feel the blue water of the ocean and the nothing shot them attack, but whoa.
Yes. Whoa. You know?
This is what it feels like.
This is it.
Yeah.
Well, this time with our glasses in the water.
Oh, bossy. Oh, them prefect.
Yeah.
It's a well-deserved vacation, you know. We have to give thanks to Oliver, you know, and Carla every time.
Give thanks, you know. We don't feel that good at this moment.
Yeah.
We shall speed the recovery. Bless up yourself. Stay safe. You don't know. One love.
Yeah, man.
Big up the dream team, you know. All of my team members stay safe, you know. But I don't know. One need to say, yeah. May I do it for nothing, you know.
Yeah.
You see it?
Straight.
Bless up yourself.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Every time. So they ever remember.
All donor. We're not left for out because I don't know how to make it possible. Likewise, the man behind the scene. So we give thanks, enough love. Own and boarded. We ask you to just subscribe and see what I go on.
Yeah.
Niceness, whole heap of goodness. Bless up. Done.
Dream team and team, you know, it's the only real team. So it's nothing but love to all the donors then, you know, and Alva is not feeling too well, you know, but hopefully he'll be alright, you know. Him come out, start walking, you know, get some fresh air and keep the body moving, so prayers out, you know. Hopefully everything will be alright, well later on and can come out and have a little celebration. Because I know his birthday coming up, you know, today. Ken says his birthday. So, you know, we're going to celebrate it with him, but hopefully everything will be alright. So just big up on yourself. So Oliver, blessings to you, my general. Sir Oliver, Lady Diana.
Yes.
You know, always. You know, nothing but love. Nothing but love.
Newcomer one them say me I do it here. Outside.
Outside. Newcomer, man. Good shot. Yeah, they've been missing from morning. I've been
Yeah, man, ask Oliver hasn't wake up this morning.
yeah, so I've been saying that, you know, Oliver wasn't feeling too well, you know, so slowly but surely, you know, so the prayers out for Oliver, you know, the prayers out, definitely. Here is Oliver, he's not too well.
You got your thing over here, Mark.
Yeah.
Your chicken and fries.
Alright.
Oliver is here.
Hey, man.
You know,
Let me see this, man. How about time he put you on camera? Look at
I
you
just
right
did that, I
there.
just did that.
I mean, from somebody
Wake
else.
up this morning, I asked God, say, I wonder if Oliver is alright.
I'm alright, but I'm weak. My body is kind of...
We've been saying it, you know, on the camera, so here's Oliver now, he's feeling a little bit 5% better. You know,
More than 5.
More than 5.
40%.
More 40%. So you have everyone worried, man. Yeah, everyone was
I
worried,
think I
man.
ate something that didn't really, you know, because I have a precondition. Whenever I get sick, it gets, you know,
Yeah.
it takes me a little to bounce back. But I'll be good.
Of course, now, whosoever carry me out here, if they're alright. And we say, yeah, they're alright, but, you know, a little bit, but everything's still okay. So we are hope for up.
Yeah, man.
Good. I just need some time to
recuperate back.
I came out this morning early.
Yeah, Carl tell me same stay downstairs.
It's early this morning, and what I'm trying to do is walk so my circulatory system kind of get a chance to, you know, to help get me better. But I think I pushed it a little too early. I was too weak, so I went back inside.
Yeah.
And I figure I'll come down and see what you guys do.
Yeah. What's worried, man? We're glad you're alright now. Feeling at least a little bit better.
Yeah, man.
We are worried, you know. And I know the viewers them has been worried, you know, because we've been saying it from morning. So I know when them see you, know them like, oh, thank God, you know. Yeah, because they've been worried, man, and we all been worried. So.
Not as worried as when they don't see her, right? But
well, it was more this time. You know, it was more intense because the first time now we actually realized that someone got sick, you know, on this trip that we always have. So.
you guys are always welcome to pass by if you want.
All right then.
From that out, you guys can, you know,
come up. All right then.
You know
So
where I'm at, right?
no, you have to tell me off camera. I remember it. So we'll come invade the space.
I'm right up there.
All right then. So we'll get the drink and bring the cigars, you know.
You go that way, you go up the elevator, you turn a little right, then left, and the second door's up.
And you go around the roundabout.
That's the long way, but
You go to me. Yeah, the elevator on the stairs. One of them. Either one. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. You know, it's a beautiful day.
I'm just very happy that you guys have it on. Hey, Carl, come here.
Prefect. Wow.
Come here, man. Let me show you something.
Prefect.
How many votes, Carl, is that?
Prefect. Yo, prefect scared up here. Listen. Yeah. The covers. Yo, yeah, we don't see it. You can't manage here.
I saw you flipping around, man. I thought you were like, no, we don't saw around there and joke.
Can't manage them water there.
I thought you were auditioning for Aquaman Part 2.
In the shallow.
You're just fronting out there.
Well, you have to get some tips from Parks, man.
Yeah.
Got me a homicide case.
Yeah.
Hey, Carl, you don't take no over there. You got ugly toes?
I said, wait, I don't realize him about himself.
I see him and Wormy.
I realize.
That's too long, man.
What about himself? Really? Really?
Yes. Where's the rest of your toes and stuff, man?
That's bad. I said my eye, it's got the shot. It's really enough. In my 8 toes. Real come here, man. We had a dream team live, girl, you don't have to worry. So we have live parks here.
Hero is not here, but we have parks.
So we have parks here. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Just go grab one next.
What, the floater?
Right here. They have jerk pork, jerk chicken, they have fish, chips, rice, some peas, or whatever. You can either eat it there or eat it right next to the car.
You say I get some food?
Yeah. But I'm not getting anything for obvious reasons.
Perfect. Yes, sir. It's a lunch.
Yeah.
Hard swimming. Now we're going for lunch. Oh, you can join that one?
Yeah, that's what
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can't let her have all the fun, you know.
Well done, well done. That is it, right? Light park, that is it. That is. Oh, there's some order already. So you have the fish and chicken over here.
Yeah.
Please pick it out already? Again?
No,
Second round.
That's the roll chef, but that's it twice. But that make it nice.
Nice. Alright. Yeah, keep on. Yeah. Them food here is really nice. I always recommend to them food. Good. So now, alright, I try the round 2 brief, but I'm not keep up. Carla, I look like I'm going to keep up. So Carla, I do well.
Round 2 also.
Yeah, Life Park saying can't manage, saying give up.
We need a hero here right now.
Yeah, I accept defeat. I do accept defeat.
Anything else?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.